This mixed berry loaf bread is packed with berries, very moist, and has a buttery crumb topping. You can make this loaf bread with fresh or frozen berries, and it only takes a few minutes to mix together. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. All ingredients used will be listed in the video description below. In a large bowl, add granulated sugar, vegetable oil, 2 eggs one at a time, and vanilla extract, and mix with a paddle attachment using a stand mixer or a hand mixer. Start adding the all-purpose flour to the wet ingredients in small increments and continue mixing. Continue adding in the flour until it is all incorporated. The batter will look pretty dry, but milk will be added shortly and it will start to thicken up. Add any remaining flour, then add salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and milk and continue mixing. The mixture will have a cake batter-like consistency. Lightly coat the berries with flour to prevent them from sinking to the bottom of the mixture. You can use fresh or frozen berries in this loaf cake. Add the berries into the mixture and gently fold them in. Once you start to see color in the mixture, stop mixing so the berries are still intact. Pour the batter in a greased 9x5 loaf pan. Smooth out the top to create a nice flat surface for the crumb topping. To make the crumb topping, add granulated sugar, brown sugar, flour, and diced cold butter into a bowl. Using your hands or a pastry cutter, mix these ingredients together until you have a crumb consistency. The cold butter will help all the ingredients stick together for a great crumb topping. I have also used this crumb topping on blueberry muffins, which you can see linked in the video description below. Sprinkle the crumb topping onto the loaf cake, covering the entire top of the cake. Place the loaf cake in a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for about 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you liked this video and subscribe to bake more good things next week.